What would happen if there were no animals on the Earth besides human? If there were no animals on Earth besides humans, it would have a significant impact on the planet's ecosystems and the human species itself. Ecosystems rely on the interactions between different species, including animals, to maintain balance and support life. Without animals, the delicate balance of these systems would be disrupted, leading to significant changes in the way the ecosystems function. For example, plants might not be pollinated as efficiently, leading to declines in certain plant species. The loss of animals as predators could also lead to increases in the populations of other species, such as insects, which could have negative consequences. In addition to the ecological impacts, the absence of animals would also have social and economic implications for humans. Many people rely on animals for food, clothing, and other resources, and their absence could lead to shortages and economic disruption. Animals also play important roles in cultural and spiritual practices for many human societies. Without animals, these practices and traditions could be lost. Overall, the loss of animals on Earth would have far-reaching and significant consequences for the planet and its inhabitants. Are Shih Tzu dogs expensive dogs to take care of? Shih Tzu dogs can be relatively expensive to take care of, depending on various factors such as the individual dog's health, age, and lifestyle. Some of the costs associated with caring for a Shih Tzu include food. Shih Tzu dogs have small appetites and typically require a high-quality diet to meet their nutritional needs. The cost of food will depend on the type and brand of food you choose and how much your dog eats. Veterinary care. It's important to take your Shih Tzu to the vet regularly for checkups and vaccinations. You may also need to pay for additional medical treatment if your dog becomes sick or injured. Grooming. Shih Tzu dogs have long, thick coats that require regular grooming to keep them healthy and looking their best. This can involve regular baths, haircuts, and other grooming services, which can add up over time. Training and socialization. Providing your Shih Tzu with training and socialization can help them become well-behaved and well-adjusted pets. This may involve hiring a professional trainer or enrolling in obedience classes. Miscellaneous expenses. Other costs to consider when caring for a Shih Tzu include things like toys, bedding, and any necessary repairs or renovations to your home to accommodate your dog. Overall, the cost of caring for a Shih Tzu can vary widely depending on your individual circumstances and the specific needs of your dog. It's important to do your research and be prepared for the financial commitment of owning a Shih Tzu before bringing one into your home. What skills do horses know even when born? Horses are born with some inherent behaviors and instincts that help them survive and thrive in the wild. These behaviors are largely related to their basic needs, such as finding food, avoiding predators, and socializing with other horses. Some of the skills that horses are born with include movement. From the moment they are born, horses are able to move around and explore their environment. Within a few hours of birth, foals are able to stand and walk, and they quickly learn to run and play. Communication. Horses communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language cues, and foals learn to interpret and use these signals from a very young age. Socialization. Foals are born into a herd and quickly learn to interact with other horses. They learn how to establish dominance, form bonds, and communicate with each other through play and other social behaviors. Self-preservation. Horses are born with a strong instinct for self-preservation and will quickly learn to avoid dangers and seek out safety. They are also born with a natural flight response, which helps them escape predators or other perceived threats. Overall, while horses are born with a certain set of innate behaviors and instincts, they also have the ability to learn and adapt to new situations and environments throughout their lives.